Hi parents and students, Karen Sitko here with another tutorial based on questions that you've been asking either teachers or me. So please continue to do that because chances are if you are having an issue with Canvas or G Suite or anything else, so are other parents. So it's very helpful that you continue to communicate those issues to us. So this tutorial is how to submit homework in Canvas. So your child has finished their homework assignment. Now what do you do? So the first thing I want to touch on is we have previously sent out some instructions for if especially this is especially for younger grade parents. Your child has made a lovely creation and you have taken a photo of it and now you want to turn it in. So if your teacher has given you instructions that you can email it to him or her, please feel free to do so. If your teacher has given you instructions to turn it in via Canvas, here's how you go about figuring that out. Now, the first problem you're going to run into is you're going to try and email that photo to your child's ASA account. And that is not going to work because we have all Saints Academy student email addresses buttoned down to within our domain, either the diocese or the All Saints Academy domain. So that prevents parents from emailing their own children. And I know that's inconvenient and I apologize for that, but unfortunately Google doesn't give us an opportunity to whitelist a parent for just one specific email. It's either all parents can email all students or no parents can email students. So right now we just have it buttoned down so students cannot receive email from outside of All Saints Academy. So that's where you're running into trouble there. So how to get around that? Well, fortunately for us, Mrs. Schneider, who is also a parent as well as a teacher, discovered how to do that on her phone. So it's a little more organic. You take a photo with your phone and you could submit it right from your phone. So I want to switch over and show you where on our website you can find those instructions for submitting homework via the mobile app. The instructions I'm going to outline today are via the web interface. So if you're on a laptop or a desktop or a Chromebook. But if you're on your mobile device, your phone, and you've taken a photo and you want to submit it, let me quick show you where those instructions are. So we're going to go to the All Saints Academy website, asagr.org. This first tile that shows, as well as this link, are going to get you to our COVID-19 Parent Resources page. So at the very top of the page, you're seeing all of the messages that we have sent out thus far during the stay at home and distance learning situation that we all find ourselves in. Below that are just some basic coronavirus information and a link to the CDC. I'm sure you're all very well versed with coronavirus by now. Some mental health resources for parents, some religion links as well, and then below that you'll find the technology support and resources. So if you haven't yet gotten connected to your child's G Suite for Education email account, your ASA account, or to Canvas, here are all the instructions you need for getting connected. Below that are the troubleshooting and navigating and how to navigate through schoolwork tips that we have put together thus far, and this will continue to grow as your questions come in. But the specific one I'm referring to right now is turn in homework via the Canvas app. And that is a PDF that Mrs. Schneider has put together. It will illustrate how to install the student version of the app, get your child logged in, and how to turn in homework with that method. And again, that works best if you've taken a photo of your child's homework. And now, how do you get it submitted as homework? So now let's return to the purpose of this video. So Canvas, I'm logged in as a first grade student. So where do I find his assignments? Well, there are two ways you can find that. One is, here's your dashboard. This is how it will open. So you tap on the class. Elementary only has one class. Middle schoolers will have many classes. So you tap on the class that you want to look for homework, and then tap on assignments. And this is the assignment we're going to use for today. Mrs. Schneider was kind enough to make me a demonstration course for one of her first grade students. The other place that you can find assignments is over here in the left column. We can navigate to Calendar, and the assignments are going to appear by due date. If it's already been turned in, you'll see a line through it. If you haven't yet turned it in, it's not going to have a line through it. So this is the exact same assignment that we were just looking at in the course assignments view. So either way you get to it, you're going to get to the same place. So I'm going to open that assignment. Here is my assignment. This is the big red button you're looking for to submit the assignment or to turn in your homework. So I've tapped on that button, and I have many options for turning in homework. So again, you're going to want to follow the recommendations that your teacher has given you on how she would like you to turn in the homework. So if it's a photo, like I said, and you can get it to your child's device, you're going to choose a file. If your child has created something on your laptop that he or she wants to turn in, this is the way you're going to go. You're going to choose a file, and you're going to search for it on your device, and I can navigate through and find my homework that way. So I have just created a little homework response. If I can get to it here, and here it is. Here's my demo homework assignment. Okay, so that's one way, and you would click open, and then you could add another file, or you could include comments before you submit the assignment. Another option is to enter the text directly into Canvas, and you could enter your text here, and you can make things bold or italic. You have all the regular formatting options that you normally have. You could, if your teacher wants you to record some media, or if you have already made a recording of something, you would include that here. You could either record or upload, and so you have one tab for recording and another tab for uploading media. Or if your child has opened up a Google Doc and completed their homework in a Google Doc, you would go to Google Drive and select a file, and it's going to show anything recent that's been done. If it's not showing up in recent, like here's my demo homework, but if it weren't showing up in recent, you could tap on My Drive, and you could scroll down through your files, and we could find that same homework assignment. Okay, so let's just go ahead and tap on it here, and we'll click Add, and we want to attach the file. And it's going to show me, here's the homework assignment. I can still include any comments, and I can submit my assignment. So those are all the ways that you can submit a homework assignment. And it's giving me, letting me know that it's currently processing it, and I can navigate away from the page, and they will email me if the submission fails to process. Then it will appear in your child's email. Okay, so now you can see this now says resubmit an assignment as opposed to submit an assignment. That means you've already submitted something. Let's say you've made a change to the document. Oh wait, you forgot something, and now you have to resubmit it. I just want to caution you, you can tap on this and go through exactly the same motions that we just did, but when you do that, it's going to replace whatever you submitted previously. So it's not in addition to, it's replace. And I also want to let you know, you can, if you're choosing a file, we can go find a file and go through all those motions. You can submit another file if you need to submit more than one file. Okay, so that in a nutshell is how on the web interface, and again, a web interface is not using it on a mobile device, but using it on a laptop or a desktop, either Mac or Windows PC or a Chromebook. That is how you would submit your child's homework assignments through Canvas. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me or your child's classroom teacher. And please continue to send us your questions so that we can continue to troubleshoot all of the issues that are coming up and work through them together. Until then, stay safe, healthy, and sane.